Okay, how would you read this here? You probably say 5 squared, or 5 to the second power. And the terminology for this, we call this part down here the base. And we call the little number up here the exponent. And what it's telling you to take the base and multiply it times itself 2 times. So for this right here, 5 squared is equal to 5 times 5, which equals 25. Now, I'm going to show you something very important. You may see this. And if you see this, the base for a problem like this, the thing being squared, is -5. So if you go to write this out, it's going to be -5 times -5. And what is a negative times a negative? It is a positive 25. Now, take a look at this. If I were to read these, I would read this as -5 squared. I would also read this as -5 squared. But the answer is very different whether that negative is inside the parentheses or not. For this one down here, the base is only the 5. This negative is not part of the base. If they wanted it to be part of the base, they would have put parentheses around it. So in this case, it's like saying the opposite of 5 times 5. Okay, the thing being squared is just the 5. And now you see that the answer is -25. Okay, so let me give you the trick question here. I don't give a lot of trick questions, but here's one. I'm going to ask you a question. Think about it, pause it, come up with an answer. Okay, what is -7 squared? Go ahead and pause it and think about it. Now, some people are going to say -49, and some people are going to say +49. And they would both be correct. But the real answer is, it depends. Did I say -7 squared, or did I mean -7 squared? Because these are very different. The one on the top is like saying the opposite of 7 times 7, which gives you a -49. And the one down here is -7 times -7. The negative is part of the base, so it's going to happen twice. So the answer here is a +49. Okay, one more thing to talk about. The calculator. Can you simply plug this into the calculator? Yeah, you can. But if you are going to plug this into the calculator, -5 squared, you have to use parentheses. And the calculator comes with parentheses. They're right here above the 8 and the 9. Okay, so if you want to put this in the calculator, this -5 squared with the parentheses, you'd have to hit open parenthesis, -5, close parenthesis, and then square equals. Okay, and you'll see that you get a +25. Now, what if we want to do the other one? If you want to do this one down here, -5 squared, well, now you don't need parentheses. Now you're going to press -5 squared equals, and you should get a -25.